Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this Swift SZT, finished in blue metallic. The vehicle's in excellent condition. It's had just one owner from new, been very well cared for. Also got the alloy wheels, like the bodywork, all unblemished, in good condition. SZT also has a number of features. You see the steering wheel here has your integrated controls. So you've got your audio controls as well as your Bluetooth featuring voice command. Automatic headlights, electric adjustable wing mirrors. In-car entertainment features this 7-inch colour touchscreen. Here you'll find satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple and Android CarPlay, as well as Bluetooth connectivity featuring voice command. There's also a reverse camera with guidelines. Underneath that, you've got your climate control with aircon and a handy USB charging point for mobile devices. Like the exterior, the interior is in great condition. Again, very well looked after. The rear of the vehicle, you've got 3 seats and good legroom for rear passengers. And again, it's in great condition. So we move round, tinted privacy glass on 3 sides. So this particular vehicle has full service history, which is main dealer. Means only Suzuki trained technicians have worked on this vehicle. Before leaving, it would also come with a service for its new owner.